Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Looking for the perfect gift for your mom? Whether it's Mother's Day, her birthday, a holiday, or simply a way to say thank you, a thoughtful gift can show just how much you appreciate everything she does. Today, we're sharing 20 beautiful and meaningful gift ideas for moms that combine practicality, comfort, and love. Let's get started. Number 1. Personalized jewelry. A necklace or bracelet engraved with a special message. Number 2. Customized photo album. Fill it with treasured family memories. Number 3. Luxury handbag. A stylish gift she can enjoy every day. Number 4. Personalized mug. A simple gift that reminds her how much she's loved. Number 5. Spa gift set. Perfect for relaxation and self-care. Number 6. Cozy throw blanket. Soft, warm, and perfect for relaxing at home. Number 7. Smartwatch. A useful gift that combines style and technology. Number 8. Decorative jewelry box. Beautiful storage for her favorite accessories. Number 9. Fresh flower subscription. A gift that keeps bringing joy month after month. Number 10. Personalized family portrait. A meaningful keepsake she'll treasure forever. Number 11. Premium skincare set. A thoughtful way to encourage self-care. Number 12. Coffee maker. Perfect for moms who enjoy their morning coffee. Number 13. Elegant watch. A timeless and practical accessory. Number 14. Customized recipe book. Collect favorite family recipes in one special place. Number 15. Home garden kit. Ideal for moms who love plants and gardening. Number 16. Comfortable robe. A luxurious gift for relaxing at home. Number 17. Tablet or e-reader. Perfect for reading, planning, and entertainment. Number 18. Personalized wall art. A unique decoration filled with sentimental value. Number 19. Weekend getaway. Create wonderful memories together. And finally, number 20. Special family experience day. Plan a meaningful day together filled with her favorite activities and quality family time. The best gifts for moms are thoughtful, meaningful, and filled with appreciation. They don't have to be expensive to make a lasting impact. Whether it's a personalized keepsake, a practical gift, or a memorable experience, what matters most is showing your love and gratitude. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gift ideas and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.